It's like humans when you see somebody yawn.
Someone else, yeah.
Yeah.
When I used to yawn, my dog would yawn. Look,
That's
look,
funny.
Look. They're all yawning. Look at him.
But Dougal still tries to get a
look at
piece
him.
of Maisie. And he's so much taller, he just walks over top of her and grabs her,
God, they're all
her
yawning.
neck
Look at them, Yvonne.
and starts dragging her.
One
Okay,
after
but
the other.
but now they're all leaving because the other two left.
Oh, they like it's time to go.
It's time to go.
Yeah.
Put her down.
Oh my gosh.
Here, let me get a video.
Are
of
they
them
all going
leaving.
now?
Yeah. Well, nobody.
Look at their paws. They got a lot of growing to do. Look at their paws.
Oh, they all leaving.
Yeah.
Well, because that one just started to take a dump there. They're like, hey, dude, you don't shit where you eat. You don't shit where you live.
You know, everyone's like, okay.
Yeah.
Those guys jump open. He's like, what the hell is going on up there?
He's finding his spot. They're all waking up, doing their thing.
Oh, he coming.
Yeah.
Is he coming home with a treat to eat?
Where's he going? Oh, he's looking.